beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel, The Island Styles TV. If you are new here, I create style, beauty, and lifestyle videos, and today's video is all about my mini Amazon haul. So I'll be trying on the pieces that I bought. So if you're interested in seeing what I got, please continue watching. Alright, so the first purchase that I got, I am actually already wearing. Can you guess what it is? No? It's this here, guys. Oh my god. I got it in the length 18, and it's like a body wave. It did not come in this color. I custom colored it myself, and I think I did a pretty good job, if I must say so myself. It came in this packaging. The brand is called Honey Girl. It shipped pretty fast. Of course, I got it through Amazon Prime, so the shipping was pretty good, and it wasn't actually, the price wasn't bad at all. I would not have thought about ordering from Amazon any type of hair if it weren't for one of my IG friends. I saw her hair and I liked it, and I asked her where she got it, and she told me that she got it on Amazon. So I decided to look myself. So it came actually in a natural black color, and like I said, I colored it, and I think it's just perfect. I wanted to change it up for my birthday, so I decided to get some inches. I will put all the links in the items that I purchased, of course, in the description bar below. So if you're interested in any of the items that I show here, feel free to utilize those links to get your shopping on. Let me know actually in the comments if you want me to do like a review on this hair. I think it's actually pretty good though for the price. So let me know in the comments if you're interested in that. Alright, so this is the next item. It's actually a ruffle off the shoulder button down midi dress. I think it's super cute. It actually comes in two other colors. It's like a light pink and like a beige, but I decided to go with black because I like how it looks on my skin tone, and it goes with everything. So it has pockets, which is something that I like. The buttons are for play. They're not actual buttons, they're just, you know, for the look. So you just pull it on, and that's how the back look. It has like that ruching in the back, the elastic stretch, and I decided to wear it with these heels, if you can see, that I got from Forever 21. Super cute, I think, and it comes with this belted belt that you can belt your waist. Yeah, it was $25.99. Yeah, I would also wear it with this hat, you know, if I were to be out. It's a sundress, so of course I will be wearing it out when it's like sunny and hot. Alright guys, so this is the next item that I got via Amazon. It's another midi dress, but this dress I like because it has like that button detail all the way down to like the above my knee, and there's a slit, and they fit pretty well for the most part. Has that space in it, and I would actually pair it with this little arc bag. And I actually have my Zara slides to pair with the dress. So I think it's super cute. This was, I'm not sure, but I'll link the price, or I'll just pop it up here so you would know how much it cost. But I think it's a super cute dress. This dress, it has the detail. These are actual buttons as well, so you can bund it up. Yeah. You could actually pair a jacket if you're going out at night. You could pair it with a blazer to like dress it up more, and wear it with some heels. So that's another option. This is actually the last item, another sundress. These are just for play again, the button detail, but I think it's super cute. It fits really nice around the bust area, which I like, and then it just flares out a bit. I paired it with sneakers so you guys can see a variation of how you can wear dresses. So you can wear with heels, of course, slides, or with sneakers. I would actually also pair this top with like a black t-shirt underneath for another, like a more casual look, especially if you want to take the look into your office, casual wear like on a Friday or whatever. And I chose to wear my Vans with the look. I think it's super cute, and I paired it with this cute little bag. All the dresses are in size large, and like I said, they fit true to size. So, and all via Amazon Prime. If you don't have Prime, you need to get with it, okay? Alright guys, that is the entire haul. Very small, but thank you so much for watching to the end. I truly appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next upload, which is every Monday. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.